Are you an experienced networker and you want to get more out of your one-to-one business meetings? So you're meeting with people that you know in your business network one-to-one, and you want to make them more productive to get more referral results. Well, I have a 5-step process that I share with my clients to get a more advanced approach to doing these one-to-one business marketing meetings. Now, this is for you after you've done your initial 1, 2, or 3 meetings with that individual. So now you've really started to build that relationship, and you want to actually be able to help each other grow your business through relationships and referrals. So the formula is what I call RISE squared. It's an acronym. RISEE. R stands for relationship. I stands for identify. S stands for strategize. E stands for execute. And the second E stands for evaluate. We want to take our relationship to the next level. So can you name one of their goals for this year? Do you know their favorite color? Test yourself on how can you speak about this person with clarity and confidence. Identify. This is where you actually identify ways that you can introduce people who you want to introduce, whether it's a certain profession or ideal client or someone that you want to know in the network. So actually identifying, and this is where you are stacking up people for your pipeline. So this is where we're building our pipeline of referrals and introductions. S is for strategize. Sometimes it takes more than one step to take that person from identified potential to actual make it into an introduction or referral. And then we want to execute. We want to make a plan for action. If it's not in our calendar, it doesn't exist. So when are you going to take those steps that you strategized on to make that introduction or referral happen? And E, the last E is evaluate. We want to have a conversation about the referrals and introductions we've made for one another to be able to make that process refined and better and more productive. So we can say, how was that connection? How could I set it up better for you? Was it a right connection? And what else could I have asked or said to better qualify it for you and make it a smoother transition for your conversation? So there's a lot more that I could talk about in this process that we talk about all the time with my clients, because it's not about today's business. It's about tomorrow's business too. For example, one of my clients, she's top producing in her field, and they're opening a new market in Japan. Well, we identified a contact I have in Japan months ago, and I got her the appointment just earlier this month. So it takes time sometimes to get those really great referrals and introductions to come to fruition. I'm Maile Collmer. I'm a master connector and referral coach with Asentiv, and I truly believe together we can accomplish so much more than we can alone.